Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best free spicy app to your Amazon Fire Stick in 2025. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is getting the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. If you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, then of course follow me. So we have to go and open the search bar on the far right of the stick. There it is. Let me open it, and now you gotta start typing downloader in a search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Let's click on it. Now that's the orange app which you need to get to the far right of the stick. And now after we got downloader, actually we are not ready to use it yet because we still gotta set it up. So now to set up downloader, we go to settings on the Fire TV stick by clicking this little button. Then go to My Fire TV, and there we'll have to turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick. Now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here, all you gotta do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that is what we're gonna do right now. So now let's return back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Here it is. Let me open it. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great price for us, the users. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Open it. Wait a moment for it to load. And now we are ready to go to the downloader application. So let's open it. And now what you gotta do in here is open that search bar and start typing in the code, which will be 647 and then 190. So once again, it's 647190. That's the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes. Then click on go, and now while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. Now the download of the app has started. And after you got downloaded, of course, you also make sure to install it to your device by clicking on the installation button on your screen. You gotta click on it, and after the installation is finished, it's actually not ready to use yet, because instead of open, it is better to click on done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your Fire Stick. So just click on delete and delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now let's go and take a look at the list of applications on your Fire TV stick. Let me open it, and here's this app which we just installed. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and this menu will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on Move to Front. Now this way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use the link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.